Hey guys, Helena here, and today I'm at the National Avenue number 1 and number 2 railroad crossing in Helena, Montana. First I thought this was just one crossing, like Montana Avenue, until I realized the other side there. Yeah. So first thing here, we have a safe tram base. We have the gate mechanism, which is a safe tram gate mechanism. We then have the emergency information. The dot number is 086 375B. Then you have the lights, which are safe tram 12 by 24-inch lights. The bell is a safe tram type free electronic bell, and Rico gate lights, which are LED. That way is facing west towards Benton Avenue, right there. And by the way, there's an abandoned track right there, which I don't even know how trains are supposed to stop. And that building looks like it's going to explode any second. And that was facing east towards the yard right there. There's the yard in Montana Avenue from Roberts Avenue. What else? Oh, and also this track right here, this goes to that spur, where that one signal is. And yeah, and also those signals just lit up as down there. So there could be that train that's idling right there that could come west, or a train or a eastbound that's coming. I don't know. That could be an eastbound, I think. So I'm gonna cross the street. We're just gonna make these two crossings quick, since I'm not sure about those signals. But yeah, this thing has a safe tram base, a safe tram gate mechanism. There's the emergency information right there. The lights are more safe tram 12 by 24-inch lights, and also Jennison's LEDs. I forgot about those. And yeah, there's also side lights at this crossing as well. And yeah, and the bell is another safe tram type free electronic bell. There's a lot of those here. And also Rico gate lights too. So yeah, that was the National Avenue number 1 rail crossing, and just right over here is National Avenue number 2, which I might as well make a quick tour. So yeah, this is number 2, National Avenue number 2, which just goes to the scrapyard right here. And look at this right here, crossing like that. Assuming the crossbuck fell down and someone stole the railroad sign, but just left that there. I might steal that, I don't know. But here's emergency information. That number is 086 358K. And it just has a yield sign at this crossing. And over here is basically the same thing, but it has a crossbuck. This crossing too. And by the way, that's the beginning of the low spur. There's emergency information, which is actually quite damaged right here. And there's the real yield sign in the crossbuck and the reflectors. So yeah, that was the National Avenue number 1 and number 2 rail crossing in Helena, Montana. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and see you down the line.